So, you've heard about AI and how amazing it can be, right? But here's the shocking truth. Many people are totally wasting it. They're either ignoring it, using it like a toy, or letting fear control their decisions. And guess what? If you're not using AI the right way, you're missing out on an opportunity to be more productive, make money, and unlock your true potential. But don't worry, this video is going to help you avoid those mistakes. Let's dive into the common ways people waste AI and how you can start using it to your advantage. Imagine living in the 90s when the internet was just starting to become popular. Back then, some people thought the internet was a passing fad and refused to use it. But guess what happened? Those who ignored it fell behind. Fast forward to today, and you'd never dream of not using the internet. Now, AI is like the internet was back then. It's here to stay, and if you ignore it, you'll be left behind. I see this all the time. Writers refusing to use AI because they think it's cheating. Companies banning AI tools because they're scared of data leaks. And regular folks thinking, oh, this doesn't apply to me. Well, here's the truth. AI doesn't care what you think. It's going to keep growing, automating jobs, and creating billion-dollar companies. If you choose to ignore it, you're missing out. Imagine this. You're sitting at home, watching your friends get better grades, get jobs faster, or even start their own businesses. Why? Because they're using AI to make their work easier and smarter. They're not afraid of it. Instead, they're using it to their advantage. If you keep ignoring AI, you'll be like someone who refuses to use a calculator during a math test. The result? You'll get left behind. Okay, so maybe you're not ignoring AI completely, but if you're using it like a toy, then you're still wasting its potential. You see, a lot of people think AI is just for fun. They'll ask ChatGPT to write a silly poem about their cat or use an AI art generator to make memes. While that's fun and all, it's not going to help you get ahead in life. Think of it this way. Imagine you were given a superpower, but instead of using it to save the world or help others, you just used it to make funny faces in a mirror. Sure, it's fun for a moment, but you're not doing anything amazing with it. AI is like that superpower. It can help you do incredible things, like writing essays faster, solving complex math problems, creating art, and even designing games or apps. But if you only use it for small, silly tasks, you're missing the bigger picture. AI is much more than just a toy. It's a tool that can boost your creativity, help you learn faster, and make you more productive. So next time you use AI, think about how you can use it to do something awesome, not just for fun, but to help you grow and achieve your goals. Now, here's the big one. Some people hear the word AI and instantly think of scary movies like The Terminator, or imagine a robot army taking over the world. This fear is real, and I get it. But here's the thing, letting fear control you is not going to help. If you're too scared to use AI, or if you're banning it in your school or company, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. Yes, there are risks with AI, just like there are risks with anything new. But instead of running away from it, why not approach AI with caution and curiosity? It's okay to be cautious, but shutting it down completely is just fear-driven inaction. Remember, AI is not out to get you. It's a tool, and like any tool, it's how you use it that matters. For example, let's say you're afraid of making mistakes when using AI. Sure, AI can make mistakes, just like humans. But that doesn't mean you should avoid it. Instead, learn how to guide it, ask the right questions, and understand how to use it effectively. In fact, the more you learn about AI, the more you'll realize that it's a powerful ally, not a scary villain. Now that we've talked about the mistakes, let's focus on how you can start using AI the right way. Here are some tips to help you make the most out of this powerful tool. Use AI as a helper, not a crutch. AI is like a teammate who can help you complete tasks faster and better. Don't rely on it to do everything for you, but use it to assist you in areas where it shines. For example, when writing a paper, let AI help you brainstorm ideas, structure your paragraphs, or even check your grammar. But make sure you're doing the thinking and adding your personal touch. Be curious and experiment. AI is an incredibly versatile tool, and the more you play around with it, the the more you'll discover what it can do. Use it for different things. Write stories, create music, design projects, and solve puzzles. The more you experiment, the more you'll realize that AI can be used in all kinds of cool and creative ways. Don't just limit yourself to asking for poems about cats. Ask better questions. AI is only as smart as the person using it. To get the best results, you need to ask the right questions. Instead of asking, "What's the weather like today?" ask AI to help you with more complex tasks, like, "Can you help me design a board game?" Or, "Can you explain this math problem in a simpler way?" The more specific and thoughtful your questions, the better your results will be. Don't let fear hold you back. It's normal to feel unsure or nervous about using something new, but don't let fear stop you from learning. AI is here to stay, and the more you embrace it, the better you'll get at using it. Start small, take it one step at a time, and soon you'll feel comfortable using AI for all sorts of things. Conclusion: embrace AI, don't waste it. AI is an incredible tool that has the potential to change everything, from how you learn to how you create. But just like any tool, it's only helpful if you use it the right way. Don't ignore it, don't treat it like a toy, and don't let fear stop you from using it. Instead, embrace AI as your helper. Get curious about all the ways it can make your life easier and more fun, and ask smart questions to get the best results. So, what are you waiting for? Stop wasting AI and start using it to unlock your full potential today. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more to come.